What are the benefits? There's a lot of them, to be honest. So designers and people who swing hammers don't always speak the same language. You get a little bit of like not on the same plane. Not everything doesn't match up perfectly. And when you want to start incorporating multiple sort of subcontractors and or people working for different companies trying to coordinate to bring your dream together, and it looks right, the vision and the thing that you get perfectly match, you really want to have one company who speaks the same language, does the same things, has done this many times, right? It just gets a more cohesive feel, experience, and end product. And for us, we do our best to keep the design the design in-house, the installation in-house. We try and keep it all in-house because we all speak the same language, and it's just a much smoother process for everybody. So now I will say it's often a more expensive process that way. If I was gonna say, well, what's the knock on getting somebody who does the design, does the construction, does the full thing A to Z? It's going to be more expensive. If you want to general contract it, you get your own design and you get your own finished carpenter and you get your own electrician. A lot of times, not always true, by the way, not always true, but it can be less money the other way, but you get more headaches, and you get a lot more headaches, and you get sometimes stuck, and you get stranded on a kitchen project that now can't end or is turned into a 3-month project. So obviously self-serving for me to say, well, it's better this way, but you're going to spend less if you want to sort of parse that out.
And then if a company wanted or you did subcontract, if they end up using those same contractors most of the time, that's a way where subcontracting can be.
Sure. Yeah. If you're working with a GC who was like, I only have one plumber, one finished carpenter, you're going to probably get a pretty good product because that general contractor is like, this is what I'm comfortable with. That model also lends itself to taking a long time because that finished carpenter probably isn't exclusively working for that general contractor. That plumber probably doesn't have enough work just from that general contractor. So yeah, you can get the quality you probably want.
The timing
often becomes, and
you paid for.
I've done general contracting. I've done commercial general contracting on multiple projects, and I can get the quality I want. I generally don't get the time I want. Or, right? Or as I've general contracted projects, I can tell you I've been able to do the time. Didn't always get the quality I wanted because I took who could show up the fastest. And where you get that in-house one person, and for us, we don't use subcontractors for our installation. So they're our guys. So we get to tell them where to go, when to be there, how to do it, what the standard of work is, what time to start work. They're not running their own subcontracting business where they got 10 jobs going. Their only jobs are our jobs. And that really helps with the same language and speed and quality.